Howdy, it's Liz again with another scrapbook paper review. These are all digital scrapbook papers that are available online at various places, and hopefully they'll allow you to see what's available and what you might be interested in having printed in the 12 by 12 size. Today we're looking at SongbirdScraps designs, which is at songbirdscrapsdesigns.blogspot.com. This is from a blog train. It's the Scrapping Your Heart Out blog train, and the theme was This Old House. It's from March 2019. The designer's name is Tammy. It's for personal use only, and I think there are 7 papers. There are other small digitals that came with the design, which I didn't print. This one attracted my eye because of the colors. They're just a little off the usual thing that you see in a very soft way, and they just jumped off the page at me. Did they print fine? Well, this is a solid background. Anytime you're printing a solid background, you sometimes see how your printer lays down color. And if I hold it up close, you may be able to see the very faint lines that show up. This can happen on pretty much any printer. It's always better if you have a little bit of variation. It's really only visible very close up, but look at how nice that print is. Look at that pretty color. The hints of blue, I just love it. This one's a larger print and the same color. It's not a wide color palette here. They're very simple prints, but very pretty. I like this one. It's just 2-color. Usually I stay away from very simple 2-color prints, but I just love this one. It's got kind of a viney and thistly look. Very pretty. And then I think what she's done is use the same pattern very close up, and this is the purplish color on a white background. So she's made the print very small. So essentially these are mostly lines, very small, very thin lines. She's done that in the purple color and in the blue as well. Just really nice looking. And then the final 2 coordinates are like pillow ticking prints. And the lines aren't solid. There's a lovely little touch of individuality in the lines. And that comes in the purplish mauve. It's not quite mauve, it's a little more purpley. So it's a small collection, but it is just very sweet. I really like it. I like the prints a lot. If you're interested in having any of these printed in a 12 by 12 size, as much as I like these prints, if a little bit of background variation in the colors is going to bother you, don't have these printed. I hate to say it, but the variegated color backgrounds do print better. You don't see it on these, just on prints that have a very solid 1-color background. But a very sweet little collection. If you have a good home printer, definitely try it on your home printer. Certain portions of the page are printed better than others. Give it a go. Thanks so much for watching. Look for my other reviews. I hope to be doing these daily. Take care.